Please start recording. So the pair that I'm taking a look at for tonight, it's going to be Gbpusd for the shorts. With everything going on in Russia and so on, obviously the pound is going to be losing value. So we take a look at the monthly level perspective just by technical analysis view. We could see here down the monthly level, we've actually been respecting inside our monthly commission price candle, which is this last bull candle before the push down. Market's been respecting it the last 3 months here on these 3 candles. Has not shown any break above it. We did see a break above it here on this candle, but we came back inside our range, which is on that commission price candle, which I'm still expecting will now GU to start going down at least to the lows of these candles here on the monthly level, which is where we could start seeing some sell-side liquidity on the weekly time frame or daily time frame, which in this case it'll be our weekly low to come and clear out this old low that we have down here. For GPUSD, clear that low out. We also still have confirmations on the weekly time frame that we are showing bearishness in the market. Market had came in prior to test into this commission price candle, which is this 2 bull candles, came into it right into that 50% of our commission price candle and started showing rejection to the downside, making and creating our new commission price candle here, this last bull candle before this push down. Market comes into it once, twice, 3, 4 times. So 4 weekly candles came into that commission price candle and respected it well, which that's showing us the market's showing some good respect to the downside to continue pushing lower into this weekly low. We also have confirmation on the daily time frame that we have broken consolidation here in this area, which is our bearish breaker structure. Market showed a massive movement last night during London and New York session to the downside, clearing out the lows of the commission price candle, which cleared out the stops. So all I'm waiting for on the daily time frame now is to retrace back up into that breaker that we see right here. Now the reason why I'm putting inside this area of the entry, because we have a lower commission price candle. My stop is around 41 pips, which would be having a safe, secure area, which I would not wanted to see it go above that area at that stop loss, because we see some more confirmations during the 4 and 1 hour time frame that should be respecting that breaker right there on those wicks. We still need to see downside movement coming down to come in, clear out this sell-side liquidity on the daily time frame, which is the lows that we have down here. Taking a look at the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, we see that we have a fair value gap, which is grabbing the high and the low of these candles here. Let me zoom in. So the fair value gap would be this candle in the middle. One way to identify fair value gap is going to be by getting the low of this prior candle, which is on that wick, and the high of the 3rd candle right here on that wick. And this right here would be your fair value gap, which is an empty gap in the market that we would be expecting to come and fill in that area. So that's giving me confirmation the market should continue pushing a little bit higher, around 40, 50 pips. Yeah, around 40 to 50 pips to come and fill in that fair value gap that we have in that forward time frame. Coming our way down into the 1 hour time frame, we can see how in the 1 hour time frame, this right here will be the breaker that we had underlined in this box, which you saw wicks. In this case, in the 1 hour time frame, we see some nice bodies of the candles in that area that we should see market if it comes into that area, have some good respect there and start rejecting to the downside if it does come and reach above our entry price. Now coming to the 30-minute, this is where we can start finding entry price. Actually, what's the 15-minute time frame here? Yes, on the 15-minute time frame, we have an accumulation price candle here on that 15-minute time frame to come and be tested, which has not been tested prior. So I'm waiting for market to retrace into that area right here to test and get in for that short, which is the sell limit that had called out and sent already to the group, which in total will be risking 41 to gain a total amount of 298 pips for this swing trade that we have going on for Gbpusd if we do come and activate that sell limit order for Gbpusd. Any questions on GU or everything clear? All good. Awesome. What was any pairs in particular that you would want to take a look at before I end the call here? No. All right then. Well, with that being said, this is all for tonight's session. Currently, we are waiting for that Gbpusd sell limit to be activated right on that commission price candle, which we would also be filling in that fair value gap area on the forward time frame. So with that being said, have a great night and happy trading to you all. See you guys for Monday's London session